you need to continue. I mean, if you're ever faced with any of this stuff, before you decide to employ or sign a contract or anything with anyone, it is fair for you to ask them to come and to say, if this was your home, how would you do it? I need a play by play and the steps that you would take and the measures you would do to keep everybody safe. And, if they don't even have measures to keep their work people safe, you don't want them in your home doing anything for you.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I mean, there were a lot of like little details. Like it was an older home. There had been there was a lot of wallpaper on
Oh, goodness.
many of the walls. Yeah, in the home. And wallpaper is just notorious for trapping moisture in and of itself. And, there was mold growing on the backing of like all the wallpaper in all of the rooms as well. And I would have never known to look for things like that without somebody helping me.